Hi guys! So I'm just checking in with this short video because I have something really exciting to tell you guys. Today's video is a collaboration with Marc Mirren. Marc Mirren is a jewelry company that makes the most amazing pieces that you can use both on an everyday basis but also on special occasions. All the jewelry is made for women by women, and they believe that jewelry doesn't have to be for special occasions only, and that is why they have chosen to combine the Scandinavian design with the current trends in order to create minimalistic and exciting jewelry that suits all different occasions that you might stumble up on life. Their collections consist of pretty earrings, stunning necklaces, cute bracelets, and gorgeous rings that is just perfect for mixing and matching with each other to let each customer find the style that works for them. They also use 18K, 14K and rhodium plating in the making of their products. The jewelry pieces I'm wearing today is from their collection Pearl, or Pärlan in Swedish. So I have their halo necklace and halo bracelet, and I have always loved to wear silver jewelry and jewelry with pearls, especially when they come together, like a silver necklace with a pearl or something like that. So when I found these, I was pretty excited because they are just so cute. However, they have all different kinds of pieces. As I said, rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets. They have them in gold, silver, with stones or with pearls. They have a lot to offer, so I suggest you go over to their page and look through everything they have, because you might find a lot that you want to add to your jewelry collection. These pieces gives my outfits that extra bling without being too much, because I hate to wear jewelry that just takes the tension off of everything and just looks like I'm trying way too hard, or I have jewelry that you cannot wear on an everyday basis because it looks like you're going to prom. Stuff like that I have a hard time dealing with. That's why their jewelry pieces are like perfect, because you can stock them up, you can mix match them, and they are pretty thin and pretty small, so they won't be like too much and too dramatic, but still gives your outfits that extra bling and extra detail. Also, the shipment went so smooth. I got my products within a week, and if you order within Europe, the shipment and return is free. So if you order something and you get it and it is something wrong with the product, or you feel like maybe this wasn't really what I wanted, you can just ship them back and pick something else out. So definitely go to their page and see if you can find some jewelry either for yourself or maybe as a gift for someone. They also have right now an offer where you get a free letter charm with each purchase. I also have a discount code for you guys, so if you enter MakeupByNadja 15 when you check out, then you will get 15% off out of your whole purchase, and that discount code can be combined with the offer they have going on right now. I will have the link to their page and to their Instagram down in the description bar below, so you can go and check them out. And also, before this video is over, I just want to say, don't forget to add the discount code MakeupByNadja 15 to get 15% off out of your whole purchase. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos coming up soon. I have one film that will probably be up maybe within a few days after this video goes up. So yeah, and if you have any video suggestions you would like to see, then leave them in the comment section below, or you can visit my Instagram page and send me a DM or leave a comment there so I can see them. I am gonna go now, and I wish you guys an amazing day. Bye!